Welcome back, everybody, and I hope you enjoyed your long weekend. And now we are back in the stock market today with NVDA launching and taking off again, guys. And this NVDA is going to keep going up until June 10th. Okay, June 10th is when we have the 10-to-1 stock split. And the reason I say it's going to keep going up, traditionally, that's what these stocks do, guys. But I want to show you something that is very easy to figure out. So if you want to see what they are doing with NVIDIA, I'm going to show you, okay? So for now, you can see that from the earnings day, we're going to take the bottom, which is this bottom down here. That's a support. And I'm going to take it to the very top where they actually ran up to. And where did they actually bounce off of? So I have this support line here, and you're going to see, okay, that this is easy to figure out if you understand charts, guys, okay? Check it out, okay? They're coming back down around the 23% area, which is a bullish sign. They're not even coming back to the 50 golden zone and bouncing off of there. No. They're coming here. This is traditionally what they'll do, and they'll keep going. Okay. Now let's take a look at the run they had today, guys. So remember, we have this big gap here from Friday last week, and they came all the way up here. And then guess where they bounced off of? That's right. 23% again. Okay, we have a wick here, but just this general area between 23 and 38, maybe 23 and 30%, they are bouncing off of there, guys. Okay, they did it down here, they did it up here. So guess what they're going to do tomorrow? Okay, you cannot keep going up unless you fill some gaps so that you have support when the stock comes back, and that's exactly what they're doing. My guess right now is going to be that they're going to try to run this bad boy all the way to 1250 before June 10th. Now let's take a look at what those runs look like, guys. So we went all the way here till they met resistance. Okay, that was $128. Okay, they found support, and then they met resistance here after they bounced. That was $41. Okay, you're going to start seeing a pattern here. Here we go. They came up again from Friday close all the way to this resistance, $86. Okay, and then now they found support, and they ran it back up to resistance, $27. Okay, so now guess what they have left for? 1250. Okay, now they can go higher than 1250, and there you go, $100 run. Okay, so can they do it? Absolutely. They've done it before. Look at that. Okay, they've done it before. I mean, this is something that is not hard for NVIDIA. People love it. It's making a lot of money, making a lot of people money. So they're going to keep driving this up. But when they switch this to 10-to-1, guys, you're going to have a lot of leverage now with actual shares if you want to buy them, or if you want to buy option contracts, which are going to be way cheaper. All right, now let's take a look at SPY. What is going on with the S&P 500? NVIDIA is just booming, but it's not taking the S&P 500 with it. Why not? That is very interesting to me, guys. So I want to show you something real quick in order for you to understand where the stock is going to go next. We do have resistance levels at the all-time high, of course, the 534 area. We did develop one at 531 area, and now we went a little bit under that, and then now we have another resistance area, which is down here about the 530 area. Now I've taken all the indicators off, guys, just so that you can see, and we're just going to go with some stock trading 101. Do you see what I see? Here you go, guys. Not the best curves in the world, but you see we do have bounces all the way down. We have lower highs, okay? Lower highs. Something to be concerned with if you're bullish on the stock. Now, we did have support area here, which we were monitoring in the bull ring, guys. And guess what happened? We thought we're going to continue up, and sure enough, we did not. Now, that's a support trend here. Okay, now we can move this down. Okay, start matching up some wicks. Okay, now this one is particularly interesting to me because this is something that I always monitor in stocks. I'm going to show you right now why this is starting to look very bearish to me. All right, so let me draw this out for you. Make it nice and simple. We broke support here. Okay, look at that. Support was broken and we went down for a while and they tried to come back up. Okay, and challenge that area and they got resisted. If you look at this line, okay, this happens often in stocks. If you pay close attention, okay, you had support, bam, support, bam, it bounced off. Okay, support, bam, it bounced off, but it didn't make it back up past this area. Very bearish, very, very bearish. And then it broke support, came down, found some support here. They made a challenge and the old resistance line right here became bearish. It is now a resistance line, okay, by technical analysis, and you can see the last 3 30-minute candles did not go well for SPY. It started trending down, okay, and this is starting to look very bearish. Okay, now nothing wrong with that. We've been here before. This is normal for a stock. Pullbacks are normal. Okay, you just got to make sure that you understand when to catch these dips. Now, if we go with the ultimate indicator, okay, this is very simple. Okay, bearish there. Okay, extra bearish here, guys, but this is an entry for a put. This signals you that we are under the 200 EMA. Very simple on the 30-minute. There we go. We turned bullish there. Okay, and then now we went bearish during the day and we got volatile because we started to become bullish again but got denied. On the previous screen you saw the colors, the lower highs. With the indicator you're able to see entries. Okay, me personally, I don't care where the stock goes. I'm going to play the options with the clouds and I'm going to keep a very close eye on the 30-minute because the 30-minute you can see will have your best trends. We can go to the 4-hour, but if you're a day trader, you're not going to wait 4 hours. Okay, the 30-minute will be your friend in any trend. I will repeat that. The 30-minute will be your friend in any trend. So you guys understand what is going on. Okay, and here was another entry, bullish entry. Okay, not only did the indicator give us a signal here, if you're trading on the cloud, this is your first sign to get ready for a bullish move up. Okay, so that's what's going on with SPY. I think that they're going to try to bring it down. That's going to include Microsoft, Apple, Google, and all the big boys in the Mag 7. So for now, I'm looking at SPY and it's bearish. I don't care. If it goes down, I will play it on the way down. I'll make money on the way down. If it goes up, I will make money on the way up. Now, before I end this video, I want to remind you guys the courses are on sale. And tonight, you will get them for $99. That is over 65% off, guys. But I do want to show you something here so you don't get confused by people who write articles like this that said NVIDIA soars on Tesla's chief. Musk AI startup plans. Is NVIDIA a buy now? So CEO Elon Musk indicated the AI chip leader would be a supplier for his AI startup with his new company, XAI. Okay. Now, first of all, NVIDIA is the supplier for everybody in the world. And this person here, okay, Vidya Ramakrishnan, is Jackass of the Year. Okay. Nobody ever goes and buys another stock because one person from another company said, oh, by the way, I'm going to start buying some Nike shoes, and then Nike's going to jump up if Elon says that. I don't even know why they let her write articles. This is one of the stupidest headlines I've ever seen. Don't believe jackasses like this, okay? NVIDIA is going up because if you look at their earnings, they are just killing it. They have money left and right. They have all the customers in the world. And there's a thing called GPU. Go look it up. See what they're doing with that. See how they killed it for cloud, and see what the GPU is going to do for everything else. So do not enter a stock because this person writes an article or because Elon said he's going to go buy Nike shoes, guys. I hope this video helps, guys. We'll see you on the next one.